Hi there! Happy Sunday! So, nako karon sa beach as you can see in my background. So, nako sa dagat. So, naglingkod. So, kani siya guys. Kung magsimba, diretso mi direct na ito. So, it's my opportunity to take videos also. Ang upload. So, I'm plan kita po yun ako sa buhok. So, nagplan ko to maybe make this again straight. Make this straight again. So, this isn't. But I have to cherish pa the moments that this is kulot because this is my long time dream to have a kulot hair. To have this curly hair, even though it's very kalkag. But, you know, I love curly. Maybe someday or maybe next month, mahimo ko siyang straight hair. So as for now, i-enjoy sa dato ang siya.
Sam, diha ay mangkas mahod. Liga ni.
Wash hands. How about my outfit, guys? Murag bata. Yes, murag bata siya.
Oy,
There's a baby out there. Be, ayo pa doon sa dagat.
oy, liga ni.
Sa wave, be.
Dili na ka dito kay samat ka si DL. Ayaw. Oy,
Kaiyat ra, kaiyat.
dili na ka.
So, karon tagtaod, mga lirat na sa Najama-jama ra dire After lunch, dire man ni udto kay naimuluto. Kay mami sudaan. So, need man ni mo. Palit na lamang diretso. Kaya naman ko itong video. So, dumiretso kami dito. Ayun. Ayun na, ayun na. Nag-ilok na itong titas camera. Never mind na itong ilok, guys. With my super gubot hair. So, what do you think? So, I'm going to show you the place. So, this is it. Not just my face because it's so small, guys. With this much filter in it, I feel really pretty when I'm on filter, but I don't think so when I'm not. Tana? Load? Nag-shout ko no kay Load. So we're just close. We're just this transparent, not transparent. Sa ito tawag gani oy. I forgot kung sa nga term. Basta kay dapat lang gud mi. Adjacent. Yeah, the term is adjacent to Balls Resort. Nasa ang kilid oh. So we can pick there anytime we like. Yeah, we can take pictures anytime we like. Stop shouting. So muuli na mi guys. Mura po to. Alright, so happy. Makalingaw ra, makahappy ra nga nami diri sa dagat.